Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Math, Section 1.4, Problem 20. This is Section 1.4, Problem 20. It says, what is the difference between 162 and 34? So this is a subtraction problem. I will subtract 162. I write that as the upper number. Beneath it, I write 34, and you write that so that the rightmost digits of each number line up vertically. So now that rightmost column of digits, I need to subtract 2 minus 4, but this is a case where I need to borrow because the 2 is not large enough to subtract a 4 from it. So I go over one column of digits to the left, find the number in the top position or upper position of that column, which is a 6. I will cross off the 6, reduce it to a 5, and now the 2 that I'm working with in the rightmost column of digits, I can put a 1 in front of it, changing that 2 into a 12. Now my subtraction becomes 12 minus 4, which I can do. 12 minus 4 is 8. Then I go over one column of digits to the left, and in that column I'm going to subtract 5 minus 3, which is 2. And finally in the leftmost column I have 1 minus nothing at all underneath it, which would just stay 1. So the final answer is 128.